Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Bafethu ngicela ningakhohlwa ukupressa lapha subscribe button yabo ukuthi le page leli lifike u10,000 bas. Asingeneni ke endabeni zebhola, but ke sokhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs lapha ku transfer market nama player lawa are linked to iKaizer Chiefs yabo. Amanye kuyareportiwa ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs already sebasayinile, but iKaizer Chiefs they still waiting ukuthi baba announce formally. Ngicabanga ukuthi bazoba announce maybe nge1 June because i-transfer market ivulwa lapho, but ke sobona ngeKaizer Chiefs ukuthi izo announce obani, angeke announce obani yabo. But ke i-striker number 1 no akusi striker man, midfielder lo muntu lo, but number 10 uChesley lwabamthathe laphana ku European based team lo kuthiwa vele uchoose iKaizer Chiefs selendile eSouth Africa, and then ama reports athi already seqalile ukutraina neKaizer Chiefs yabo. Lo mdlalo no highly creative, so bona ukuthi uzo edan ngempela kuKaizer Chiefs because i player elibhekiwe ngempela since ebuya kuphi ko England yabo, because siyazi ukuthi lapha ne development yakhona is strong bafethu. If niyakhumbula bekhona a player ku SuperSport United beli captain uDean Furman, if niyamkhumbula bafethu, mara yena bayadlala more central, bekhona la kubafana naye bedlala lapha neEngland kulama league lawa amancane bafethu ase-England, not even like i-Premier League, but ufikile ebholeni lase-South Africa. Wadlala kahle kakhulu yabona, was established as one of the best central midfielders kuligi nakubafana ke bebamselector. Kuyabonakala lokho nje kusibonisile ukuthi okay kune difference between i development ya this side nale yangale lapha ke ibhola bafocusa kulo kakhulu labafana basesebancane yabo. Sithembe ukuthi nalo ngoba ukhulele khona lapha ne-UK ukuthi ke uzokwazi ukukhopha ku PSL nanokuthi uzosibonisa iquality lakhe yabo. Isithiwa ke nomunye oyi-striker lono highly linked to iKaizer Chiefs, but naye bangakam announce abafethu Silva kuthiwa ke naye seqalile ukujima neKaizer Chiefs, but konke lokho akaka confirm iKaizer Chiefs. But ke lo mdlalo unawo ngempela amagoli washayile, but washaye eIndonesia ile league lena mina bengigxeka nabanye sithi ingaphansi kweleague yase South Africa, but ke umuntu ngeke simjudge kakhulu singakamboni, kumele simbone. Ungathola ukuthi umfana akazange aba nenhlanhla ukuthi adlale kuma league amakhulu, but ke zombona ukuthi league yase South Africa ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs njengoba izomnika opportunity ukuthi adlale ukuthi uzodlala kanjani yabo. Kuzoba nzima kakhulu, kuzoba nama expectations amaningi for ama player laphana alaphana ku Kaizer Chiefs because kumele ba deliver ngempela. Kaizer Chiefs iyawadinga amagoli, but iyasidinga ngempela i-striker esifinisher esiyikiller yabo, njengoba ke kuthiwa kuno Silva laphana no Igodora or ubani lapho bafethu. Yabona ke mina lo mlungu lona ke lo uEthan angimazi ukuthi uzodlala lapha kuKaizer Chiefs because leya position leya inokudlala umdusha balala yabo. No Sirino siyambona idlala la position, but uSirino siyazi ukuthi uversatile nase side nangadlala nomdusha balala naye same thing yabo. So bona ukuthi ubani ngempela ozoyibamba leya position because inzima kakhulu, and lapha phela uwe kumele uassist isikhathi esiningi ulinke ama forwards nama midfielder wakho, uwe ilink kahle because uyi-attacking midfielder yabo, noma ke sithi manje kuthiwa so number 10. Smuveni sekule striker lesi kuthiwa sign neKaizer Chiefs bafethu lo Igodaro. Lo muntu kudala sebholeni lase South Africa bafethu sekuneminyaka simbona kumaloni aya kumaZulu. I think seke mbone kuma teams ayi2 if angilenzi iphutha, if not 3 yabo. Uyalena i-player former Mamelodi Sundowns player, i-player lalethwa iMamelodi Sundowns la eSouth Africa, but akaza dlala iMamelodi Sundowns, akaza ashisa ikhothe ebholeni lase South Africa. Samvuma nathi siyazi ukuthi ukhona nje, but asikaze ngempela simbone enza ezibukwayo nathi size simhloniphe sisho ukuthi hayi ufikile eligini yase South Africa. Akaza aba i-hype serious ezi-strike ukuthi uyawashaya amagoli yabo, but ke maybe lana kuKaizer Chiefs uzowashaya amagoli, angazi ukuthi uzowathathaphi, but yeah bengimbona washaya amagoli, but akusumdlali, akusi-striker lesi esike sashaya amagoli amaningi laphana ku PSL yabo. Amagoli amaningi nje ngesizini wabona ukuthi is one of the top goal scorers. Angikaze ngambona balwa laphana, angikaze ngambona washaya amagoli week in and week out. Kaze i-question ukuthi uzosolve na inkinga za kuKaizer Chiefs yabo. kungavele nje kusayina umuntu. iKaizer Chiefs idinga istriker bafethu esizokwazi ukusolva ama-goal problems yabo. But-ke banayo lo mdlali lona, banoSilva. uSilva-ke proven goal scorer, maybe-ke uyakwazi ukuzipositiona kahle, and uSilva bamkhuluma kahle ngokuthi uyi-striker is-edda i-physique ngempela, but i-presence yakhe is-strong, which was something that is lacking from iKaizer Chiefs. So babona ukuthi bazomisa kanjani ngabo bonke labadlali labo yabo. Omunye-ke mina engimbheke kakhulu ukuthi ngifuna ukumbona uShinga yabo, lo kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs imsayine ethimini yase-Europe nga $200,000 US, if not euros yabo. It's just over 3 million rands le mali lekusho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs eyikhiphile, because lo mdlali lo besasene-contract laphana ne-team yakhe yalaphana Portugal. We can't wait for yena umdlali ukuthi adlale, cause ilabadlali laba abadlala kuma-academies, ama-top academies wala e-South Africa mjikijiki bahambe baye ko-Portugal yabo, bafike badlale khona isikhathi ePortugal. Nangu manje sikayabuya-ke e-South Africa kwela kubo ukuzojoyina-ke one of the biggest teams in the country, which is iKaizer Chiefs. La azoba ne-pressure khona e-serious bafethu ukuthi kumele adeliver week in and week out, otherwise ama-fans hayi kuzoba nzima. But-ke sithemba ukuthi umdlali naye u-ready, he won't let himself down, uzokwazi ngempela ukuthi a-perform to the highest level yabo. uMarco Monyane madoda, ama-player uthiwa abuya ku-Orlando Pirates, heavily linked with the Kaizer Chiefs. It was announced ukuthi basayinile for iKaizer Chiefs, phinde kuya-trackwa back kuthiwa hayi ucoach ngathi akusiya ama-preferred choices wakhe, cause if siku-left back bafethu uShinga already ukhona ku-left back, uMarco ukhona ku-left back, uCross ukhona laphana ku-left back. Kuzo-announcewa ama-left back awu-2 plus nalawa vela khona, or khona umuntu ozohamba laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Hayi sizobona ukuthi ngempela izinto zizohamba kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke you have to be impressed by ama-signings wabo ukuthi bayazama ngempela ukuthi basayine ama-player noma kunzima yabo, cause i-transfer market bafethu it's highly competitive. Amanye ama-team avela afake imali serious akukhiphe, throw you off the market, ukuthi ungakwazi ukucompete ne-player. But-ke if they're able to sign ama-players lawo bona abawadingayo yabo. Omunye expected ukuthi ajoin iKaizer Chiefs a year later after iKaizer Chiefs imfune kakhulu uVelebayi. Velebayi-ke umfana laphana ubuya ku-Cape Town Spurs. Cape Town Spurs lese relegate bafethu not even ehlathini, ku-3rd division, iVodacom. Angeke baphinde babuye laba unless bathenga i-status yabo. Umfana-ke labafana yabona iKaizer Chiefs iyawasayina ama-player agudi, but nayo inkinga mina enginokubuza yona ukuthi lama player lawa wonke lawa esiwabalile uKaizer Chiefs azokwazi ukuthi alwise lesi Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs at least ku-league ifinish ku-top 3 or top 4, because that's the success of iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi okay at least basazama ukuhlanganisa izinto yabona bafinishe 2 seasons outside top 8 kulandelana yabo. What about this time around? Are these players well equipped ukuthi bazokwazi ngempela ukuthatha iKaizer Chiefs bayibekele phezulu ku-PSL, maybe bafinishe ku-number 4 this season, and then the following season baya all out-ke bazame ngempela ukucompete for i-league yabo, because this season there's no way ba-compete for i-league kule season lesiya kuyo bafethu, unless if kuzoba nomlingo khona ukuthi ama-player ngempela they will be booming yabo. But yeah, I don't think bazokwazi ukucompete for i-league. But-ke ama-signings wabo azobaphusha ngempela because they need i-squad esine-depth. Why? Because bazodlala ama-game amaningi kakhulu this season. If bazoya all out ku-CAF Confederations Cup yabo, all out kusho ukuthi bazodlala ama-game amaningi. But iKaizer Chiefs isikhathi esiningi ayithathi serious i-CAF football yabo. But maybe this time around izinto zizoshintsha because sokunemali eningi laphana ku-CAF. Wena udlala ku-Champions League, udlala ku-Confederations Cup, sekunemali engcono. Ama-player or i-team ayisaluzi ngokudlala nje competition yase-Africa. In fact yenza imali if iyakwazi ngempela ukuthi iwine. But sobona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izozimisela kanjani kule competition le. Yiwo wonke ama-signings weKaizer Chiefs or ama-players a-linked to iKaizer Chiefs but bangakawa-announce. Singakhohlwa-ke nama-player lawa iKaizer Chiefs ebapromotile awu-4 noma kuthiwa baya ba-assessa bazotravela ne-team to e-Netherlands, and then kuzobonakala ukuthi bazoba-promote abafana officially or basazolinda yabo. But abafana baperforme kahle kakhulu ku-DDC. before sivala bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs inenkinga enkulu lapha yabo, so inokuyekela ama-players wabo from i-DDC bahambe nje mahhala. Ama-player lawa agcine aba ama-national team treasure or aba ama-superstars ebholeni lase-South Africa. So it's just ukuthi ku-academy or ku-DDC Kaizer Chiefs maningi kakhulu ama-player, so they can't promote wonke ama-player yabo, but-ke ama-player wakhona avele abe yinto enkulu. Kaizer Chiefs ubone ukuthi okay, lo muntu lo benza amaphutha isikhathi esiningi just to let their DDC team players go yabo, bangakwazi ukuba assessa kahle ukuthi maybe babahambise ngamaloni ukubona i-potential kubo, because abanye I think 2-3 ku-TS Galaxy babe one of the best players of the team yabo, kulaba selected khona for iBafana Bafana. Abanye ba-linked to ama-move to overseas. So Kaizer Chiefs kumele ngempela ikwazi ukubheka i-DDC team yabo ukuthi bazi ukuthi baphethe ama-diamond or i-gold, bakwazi ukubanika abafana ba-long term contract, and then at least ke babalone ukuthi bababone kuqala, because labafana badlala kahle kakhulu mabaya kwamanye ama-teams yabo. But-ke sibafisela inhlanhla abafana be-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Kaizer Chiefs as a whole kule season lezayo kuzoba nzima bafowethu, but-ke yayi-pressure. Let's hope bonke laba abasayinile ku-Kaizer Chiefs bazokwazi ukuhandle i-pressure yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, because i-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs is second to none. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.